Login failed on Ziggma App Fix. You open the Ziggma app to manage your investment portfolio, and suddenly login failed. It's frustrating, especially when you're tracking your assets or performance. But the fix is usually simple once you know where to look. First, check your internet connection. Ziggma requires a stable network to sync your account data securely. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or reconnecting to your network. A weak signal often causes login timeouts. Next, make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions may stop working after Ziggma rolls out backend improvements. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Ziggma, and install the latest update. Then, re-enter your login information manually. Avoid using safe passwords or autofill. These can sometimes add extra spaces or wrong characters. If it still fails, click Forgot Password to reset your credentials quickly. Another trick that solves most login issues is clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, App Ziggma Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This deletes any corrupt temporary files that could be blocking your login. If you're using a VPN or ad blocking app, disable it temporarily. Ziggma might block login attempts from masked or foreign IP addresses for security reasons. And finally, check if Ziggma's servers are temporarily under maintenance. You can try logging in again after a few minutes. These outages are usually short. So next time your Ziggma app says login failed, don't panic. Check your connection, update the app, re-enter your details, and clear your cache. With just a few simple steps, you'll be back managing your portfolio and tracking your returns with ease.